G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the Passionfruit Spritz. So let's get started. Grab yourself a balloon glass, fill up your shaker with some ice. We're putting 45 mils of a vanilla vodka into the shaker. Next step is 15 mils of a passion fruit liqueur. Grab some fresh lime. We're going to juice a whole lime straight in the shaker. $15 mils of sugar syrup. Now, we're going to shake this one. And just going to dump it straight into the balloon glass. Top up with some ice. Now, we're going to pour in some Prosecco. It's probably about enough, I would say, about 60 to 80 mils. A little bit more ice. Now, some fresh passion fruit. So I'm just going to use my bar spoon, but if you don't have one of these at home, just grab a spoon. Just going to put a spoon of fresh passion fruit through. Actually, you know what, we'll do two. There we go. Give that a stir through. Now, a little bit more ice. There we go. We're going to garnish with half a fresh passion fruit. And a straw. And there you have the Passion Fruit Spritz. Enjoy.